Hello everyone, I'm John and welcome back to my travel vlog. Today I'm saying goodbye to beautiful Malaysia after months of exploring its diverse landscape from its mountainous region to its durian orchards. However, my journey is not over yet as I am now rushing to the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, as known as KLIA.
惨的，我这一次，现在在去那个机场的路上。
In 1 kilometer, exit left.
刚才因为塞车的关系，有可能赶不及。我的飞机是8点半，那现在是7点05分。
Abang, berapa lama lagi boleh sampai airport?
Exit left.
14 minutes Hopefully I make it. If not, I'm in trouble. Traveling?
Now, what kind of video you making? Like traveling?
Durian. Yeah, Musang King.
Osaka.
I went to the durian orchard.
So, what is your YouTube name?
John lives better life. Live. Better?
Better Life.
Yes.
Alright.
Jon, John.
Yeah, you got new subscriber.
Okay, Mr. Driver saying he gonna subscribe to my channel, so yeah, I got another subscriber. Can I know your name?
Yugen.
Yugen?
Yeah, Yugen.
Yugen. Y-U-G-O-N, Yugen. Malaysia has a lot of friendly people. Yugen is one of the friendly one. As I arrived at the airport, I was struck by the long and crowded line at immigration. Time was running out and I was worried as I might miss my flight. I knew I had to act fast. I asked the people around me if they could let me move forward as I'm running late for my flight. To my surprise, everyone was so helpful and supportive. They understood my situation and helped push me forward so I could quickly pass the immigration check. 行李，我已经进来了，在这个闸口，差一点我就上不了飞机了。该过安检的时候，然后我就求着人家嘛，很长的队，每个人都在同一个时候来过着那个安检。然后我就问他们嘛，我能不能先往前移啊？因为我的飞机呢是在8点半，其实是来不及的，因为那个过那个安检的那个队呢是挺长的。那很多好心人说好吧，你往前走。然后我前面那些人呢说你过来我前面，然后就这样子把我给甩到前面去了。所以安检我现在已经过完了，那现在已经在这个闸口 G52这里。好，那我现在要上飞机了。马来西亚真的是好人太多了，我会再回来。Finally, I arrived at the boarding room with just minutes to spare. Thanks to the kindness of many nice people, I was able to board my plane on time. 坐在那个拥堵的那个交通里面呢，就左转右转，好惊险呐！司机小哥呢也超速了，他为了帮我，真的很抱歉，对司机小哥要说声对不起。我还没给他小费，那我现在想把小费先给他。坐在飞机里面飞往新加坡的，坐在这个后排靠近那个机尾的地方。那坐机尾有个好处就是就是可以先登机，我不知道这算不算是好处。所以因为我的号码是61嘛，所以这是很厚的一个座位的号码，所以我就可以先登机嘛。那有个好处就是我可以把行李先放上去那个地方。我就可以先把我的行李先放到柜子里面，因为通常如果你是最后一个进来的话呢，那个储藏柜通常都会被人家放满。那如果你有2个行李因为你上飞机基本上可以用2个，你可以带2个一个就是那个 carry on 小箱子再加上一个背包嘛。飞机快要下降了，从马来西亚吉隆坡到新加坡飞行时间只要1个小时，所以上了天空马上就下来了，很快的。And that's it for today's vlog. I'm so grateful for everyone who helped me along the way. I will never forget this experience
and the wonderful people of Malaysia. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more adventures. By the way, here are some of the videos I shot it when I'm in Malaysia. Feel free to click on that and check it out.